Do what you need to do, Crystal. No one's judging.
Everyone's judging right now.
No, they're not. Everyone left because they're like, Halloween's over. We're not watching your videos anymore. Hi guys, it's me. Real quick, before this video continues on, just want to say that don't mind me and Crystal being bratty and sassy and all things that we are, but I do have to apologize because I wasn't all the way in the frame. Do I have to apologize? No, I'm not apologizing. Just giving you a heads up because I apologize too much and we're working on that. So, unfortunately, I'm not in the frame as much as she is, but I did that because you guys never see her. You always see me, and also the camera took a while to focus, so there are some shots and some moments in this video where it's going to look a little crazy. Maybe you can watch this video while you're getting ready for the morning, while you're taking a poop, or while you're in the shower. Just wanted to let you know, and let's get back to the video. I just had to put a little disclaimer in there, okay? Bye.
Oh no, I messed it up.
Yeah, hairspray gets on that every single day, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Halloween happy, but Halloween is more than just once a year. Halloween was actually yesterday. For those of you guys who did not recognize this beautiful face, this is my best friend from Kansas, Crystal. She's been in a few of my other videos, and she was so nice to visit me in Salem and spend Halloween here. So we thought we would do a video for you guys because you guys like Crystal and you love her. So we are just gonna do our makeup and kind of chat.
Yeah.
And my face is so freaking red because if you guys saw on my Instagram, I was a pumpkin. So my face was all orange and it's still kind of stained.
Yeah, it was bad last night.
Crystal was a bat last night, so that was fun.
Bat cat.
Bat cat.
Bat cat. Someone called me a creature.
A creature? Like,
that's fun.
Oh, like a creature of a night, I guess.
Yeah, creature of the night. I honestly felt kind of wrong watching The Grinch this morning.
Oh my god, when I woke up and you said that, I thought you were just joking at first. That's why I was like, oh, the Halloween one?
I didn't know there was a Halloween one.
Yeah.
But I watched it and I felt wrong that I was doing it. I feel weird.
Why?
Because I just can't see anything.
You can use that.
I know, but I always use both my hands.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know what's happening.
I don't either right now. So what do you think of Salem so far?
I love it. I want to move here.
Is there anything you don't like about it just from the
that
short
I don't
time
like?
you've been here?
Not really. Well, the weather's been really nice here.
It has, thank goodness.
It's been like perfect.
For Halloween, it was so warm, but
yeah.
It was windy, so it was like kind of creepy and it was just really nice.
Crazy, because like knowing that it is snowing back home.
Yeah, it's snowing back
crazy.
in Wichita. Do you miss
My
your cats?
falling off.
Oh, a little under the chin. Who needs skin under the chin?
Really excited that I saw my boyfriend last night.
Oh yeah.
It's a predator. He's just so hot.
I saw my boyfriend last night too. Crypt Keeper.
Yeah, he looked really good.
Yeah, he did. Oh my gosh, so last night they had like, my face is orange. What am I gonna do?
Embrace it. Embrace the Pumpkin King.
Alright.
Did you use like an oil cleanser to get it off first?
Of course not.
Well,
I wash my face a lot.
Yeah, but with what is the question?
Your favorite product, Neutrogena. Okay, look, you have to tell me what to use and I'll use it.
Will you?
Yeah.
That's what everyone says.
I mean, if it's something that I can afford and if it's something I can buy on my own. I'm tired. I feel like this video is just going to be
my God.
Me whining and you exfoliating your face. So last night we went downtown, obviously. They had a few beer gardens and then a live band at the Common. Which it's so strange because they had some of it blocked off. They had a bunch of chairs blocked off and supposedly you could pay $100, which maybe that was like a rumor, but you could pay to sit in the chairs, which
nobody
is really
was in
weird.
there.
Halloween, I want to be up and dancing and moving my bones, not sitting on my butt. If this is blurry, sorry guys, I can't decide who it wants to focus on, me or Crystal.
Well, I keep moving.
No, it's okay.
Sorry.
It's kind of slow at focusing anyway.
I think my favorite part so far was going, oh, it's hard. Probably the Satanic Temple.
Yeah.
Because it's beautiful in there.
Yeah, it is really beautiful.
I've seen some vampires.
Mm-hmm.
Look, my skin is in my hair. That is skin.
That's skin, bitch. Since there wasn't a beer garden where the first band was at in the Common, we went to, I forget what it's called, but it's the new park that they've kind of built and like renovated, made it into a little park. They had, I forget the DJ there, but they were playing a lot of like 70s disco music, which was really fun. And they had a beer garden there.
The place where we were dancing?
Tent.
Yeah, that was fun. No one was dancing, by the way, until we did. Or is that a different one?
That's a different one. Where they were playing like all of the disco music, like the funky music.
Oh, where that guy was dancing.
Yeah,
he was
a good dancer.
Fun. I could have just sat in a chair and watched him dance all night. He looked like a fun time.
Went to another place where it was a live band plus a beer garden. I think that was my favorite place. I don't remember the band's name, but they were really good. They had a lot of people around watching them, but they were all like 100 feet away from them.
Everyone
no one was
scared.
like in front of them on the dance floor. So I was like, I hope no one gets mad that we like stand in front and dance.
They were scared.
They were scared. I'm scared for my skin, honestly.
I'm scared for it too, you know, using Neutrogena. Better than nothing, okay?
What's the worst skincare out there? Like
Worst?
drugstore-wise.
All of them.
I can't even see my makeup, guys.
Let me see. Looks good. What'd you just do?
Blush.
Looks good.
Let's just add more orange and red to your face. Ugh, I can't breathe.
But there were tons of cool costumes. There were so many costumes that you couldn't even take pictures of all of them that you wanted to take pictures of. It was just one after the other. Well, Predator was definitely one of my favorites, but that's because he's my boyfriend. When we were sitting in the restaurant and I looked out the window and there were those giant, there were 3 of them, and they were the aliens from Toy Story. They were so big, and they were running the street in a pack, and they were just...
Everyone was watching them. I kept calling them the Minions, because I thought that's what they were.
The Mario Kart people were really cool.
Yeah, they were all the Mario
They
brothers.
were like in a line, and then they'd hit each other and start spinning. If you yelled banana peel, they would start spinning.
I didn't vlog anything last night, guys, because it was just too much.
Just remembered my other favorite part was trick-or-treating.
Tell them about that.
We were walking down the street. So cute, because it just looked like a spooky little cute fall neighborhood with all the leaves, and the weather was gorgeous. Everybody was in costumes, and then you're walking and a lady was sitting with her bucket of candy. Let us get some candy, and it made me feel like all of us were 12 again, like walking the neighborhood.
Definitely took us back.
Because when do you get to feel that?
Never.
Because now, like, if I did that back home, they'd look at me like, what are you doing?
Yeah. They should have like adult trick-or-treating.
Maybe they should just let everyone do it at the same time.
Well, that too. I think the world would be happier, you know? So took Crystal to see some of the Hocus Pocus film locations.
It's November 1st, which is usually like the Great Depression.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Not as sad because you're here to sidetrack my brain. And then also not as sad since it does feel like Halloween for me most of the days.
This is your first Halloween living here.
It doesn't feel different. It just feels, because it's always felt like home, even when I would just come here to visit for a few days. Like, it still feels like that. How's life for you? Do you miss me living in Wichita and that I can't bug you all the time?
I do, especially because you lived right across the street from me, so every time I drive down the street then I would turn on to see you, and like...
It's really sad.
And when I go to Target, sometimes I Snapchat her while I'm at Target, and I look like a crazy person because I'm having like a full-on conversation in Target.
You're doing great.
My life's been like, alright, it's been whatever. I don't go to Target as much either because it's freaking sad now. And anybody I take to Target with me, it's just not the same. I'm like, get out, you suck.
Yeah.
Halloween's weird because you're not there.
There's not my...
Your
grand
spooky
party
spirit is not there. There's
to.
no Halloween party to look forward to. So obviously I just had to come to the party. I didn't do anything spooky this whole October until I got here, which is really sad.
That is sad, but at least you came here, I guess, right? Would you come back?
Yeah.
Do you think you would want to come back in October again, or would you want to come back like in a different season?
I want to do both. Like, I really want to come back for October at a different time just to be here when it's not like so busy.
My face is this color.
No, it's not. You're just gonna look like you're super excited, full of spooky joy.
That's fine.
That you're radiating pumpkin.
Could be worse.
Could be like worse, like the makeup you put on like burned your skin off or something.
I mean, it is burned, but we don't need to let anyone know that.
Oh my god.
You're like, should
I
I
just
treat
remembered.
myself?
What time is it?
What?
Jeffrey lunch.
Oh shit. I don't know if I'll buy anything today though.
If you even can.
Yeah, that's true.
Food here has been really good.
You like it?
Reds for breakfast was my favorite.
It's amazing, right? It's so
like,
good.
And you know how I know it's that good? Because I'm not like a huge going out for breakfast person. The way that they did the omelet with the bacon, they just like laid, like usually people will take bacon and they'll make it into little like bits or little pieces. There's hardly any bacon in here. And it pisses me off. And I can't read.
I thought you said you can't read.
Can't read.
I was like, oh, that's not this kind of
But
video.
I feel like it's like a dream bacon omelet, the way that they did it.
Ooh. We also had, what was it called?
Good.
I don't know, like spiked pumpkin coffee.
They did. I didn't feel like pooping my pants.
I didn't poop my pants.
I don't like coffee, anything in my coffee, but coffee.
So when are you moving out here?
I just did.
Okay.
Living in this room now. I already talked to Denali about it.
Oh, she would love to have you here. That brush is really intimidating. Oh, that feels nice. Did I ever get you into watching those ASMR videos?
I mean, you tell me about them, but I don't like.
You're not weird enough to look at them.
I don't go watch them.
Fine. They are relaxing.
But you know which ones I do like though?
They put
Because there's like different ones, but like
yeah.
For a while, I was watching a lot of this sand ones.
Mm.
You know?
Oh, like the cutting ones. Where they cut the sand.
That with one hand.
I don't know. What should I be doing with my hand? With my other hand?
Are you like all up in your eyeball?
Like, how could my other hand help me in this situation?
I don't know.
I'm so sleepy. Do you miss your cats? Did I already ask that?
I don't know, but I do.
They're gonna be so happy to see you.
No, they're not.
Yes, they
I'm
will.
gonna walk in the door and they're just gonna.
How do they usually greet you when you come home from a trip?
They don't talk to me.
You know what I want right now? Nachos from Village Tavern again.
Me too. Those were so good. That's another thing. I can't breathe again. Beer here is great. Like, the way that they do the rim, I've never had my rim done like that before. And the fact that they ask you, I don't know, it's just like, that's what it is. Like, yeah. that is how you drink it. Did you hear that?
That's ASMR right there. What mascara did you use before?
I was using this like super expensive one from State.
Mascara is like the best thing that you can go cheap wise.
Well, it was from State.
Okay.
So I was like, let me try it. I like it for sure, but it's also expensive.
Yeah.
So this one is like $4.99 at Ulta. And
that's $4.99. My Maybelline mascara costs more than that.
Look at my eyelash.
Oh, it's pretty. It's like very dainty.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Dainty?
It's like delicate. Dainty's good. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie, do. Well, heck, for $4.
I'd rather spend money on my skincare and my hair care. Sam, where did you go? Where did you go? Oh, where did you go? Ollie, does this look okay?
Guess I'll just use this one.
What's that?
It's called In the Spirit.
Oh, it's black?
Yeah, but I just put it on a little bit so it doesn't look black.
Sorry.
Why are you sorry?
I was like this.
Hey, I see you.
I see you.
Hey, I see you.
Hey, I see you. Oh my god!
I don't like this lipstick.
Why? Let me see.
Because it just looks stupid.
I don't know what to do with this hair.
Why are you like that? Hey, I see you.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Yep, sure am. Why are you trying to expose me?
Only I know the truth.
I look gross today.
What? You can't say that anymore.
I know.
No. No more. No more bad stuff about yourself.
You look so cute.
Thanks. Don't distract from what I said.
Do we have anything else we need to share with the Halloween Happy Friends?
I'm just really happy I came.
Me too. I can't believe it.
And I'm already excited for the vampire ball. My life's been like the same. I don't have anything like, I mean, I'm blonde now, so that's fun.
That is fun.
That's a change.
Do blondes have more fun?
I don't know about that. I mean, I'm having more fun.
We went to Vegas. You traveled. You went to Vegas.
Yeah, I went to Vegas again.
Okay guys, sorry my camera shut off because my card's full. But anyways, I hope that you liked this video. Hopefully you guys all had a lovely spooky Halloween. And if you want to follow this spooky bean, I will list her Instagram below so you can check it out.
That was the point of this conversation. Halloween's not over. Now go watch The Grinch because it's great.
Oh my god, stop. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe. That way you know when there's a new video on my channel. Thanks for watching so much. As always, I really appreciate it. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. Well, I was going to say, we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, that was really sad.
That is sad. Is it bad that I haven't been back home to Wichita yet?
No. Why would you go back there?
I don't know. It's a great question. I didn't want you to be offended if I haven't visited yet. I just wanted to see if you were mad at me
because then I
coming home.
Then I can meet you in Vegas or
meet
you in Florida or
New Orleans. Florida.
What?
Florida's too sunny.
All right.
Let us know what's on your list for your next vacation spot, guys.
Halloween vacation.
Or just normal vacation. Whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching so much. Sorry we rambled.
Not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Well, you gotta say sorry so they think you're sorry, but you're really not because it's like, it's my channel, it's my video. Sorry, not sorry. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. So painful. Bye. Bye, thanks for watching. There's a baby that lives downstairs that we probably just woke up.